What a lazy morning. I think I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Oh, I remember it's school time, so I'm gonna go to school. And I'm thinking a shower, so let's go to the clothes. I love this. I'll just wear it. I'm done. It looks so perfect. I won't eat. I will just go eat at school because I'm so full right now. Oh, the bus is here. Let's go. Let's go to the school now. Bye, bus. Part 2 tomorrow.